them like a pot of soup if you prefer. If you like that kind of soup sensation, stir them around. Then for your final resting pose, you can take either legs up the wall or Shavasana. If you have a wall near you, you can turn and use it. You can also put the block under your sacrum and put your legs straight up. We're gonna do something that you could basically fall asleep in. I know that's a big ask, so you wanna be comfortable. I'm gonna guide us through a really fun meditation to finish. If you are in legs up the wall like my demos, it's a great opportunity to flush out the chakras. Flush out from the base of your spine all the way to the crown of the head, like a water slide of energy, taking away anything you don't need. If you're in Shavasana, think about it dumping out of your backside into the earth. From the head all the way to your feet, just kind of sweating, dumping down into the earth. Now I want you to imagine that wherever you're laying, you're so relaxed, but your body's tired. It's so tired. Your soul wants to take a break from this physical vessel that you're in. So then a little spaceship with a big drill bit on the front. The spaceship, it zooms in right above you, hovers right above your body right now, and invites you to get in, take a seat. Your soul, wanting a break from your body, zooms up, opens the door, steps in, and buckles its seatbelt into the spaceship. Let's leave your body here for just a little bit. We don't need it right now. You notice in the spaceship you're a little heavy. You feel like this week has kind of weighed on you a bit. So before we go into space, let's offload a little bit. Turn on the drill bit on your spaceship. Let it start to spin. And then as it does, let it go into the very center of the Earth's core. So down beneath the Earth beneath you, it's drilling a hole that's spaceship sized, drilling and drilling and drilling and drilling through the mantle, through the crust, through the layers of the Earth to get all the way to the very center of the Earth. And we know at the center there's molten hot lava at the core. Our spaceship, it hovers just above the lava. And you decide that whatever's been holding you hostage this week, whatever menial thoughts, things that you shouldn't be caring about so much, but you just are, let's start to offload them into the lava. Imagine something, the pressure, the worry, whatever you're holding, like you were taking off a layer of clothing. Take it off and throw it into the lava. What else is coming up? What have you been hurt by or fearful this week? Can you keep throwing the things that come up into the lava? Maybe you're angry at someone or jealous about something and you don't want to feel that way, but you just do. You can't help it. Keep throwing it into the lava. Throw, throw, throw. We want your soul to be as free as possible right now. My birthday always reminds me of my mom literally birthing me into the world. So maybe instead of feeling sad that she's not here, I'm just gonna throw in that sadness. So all I'm left with is gratitude for being alive, for her work. What else are you throwing in there? Feeling a little lighter, you close the spaceship door, put your seatbelt on, and you start to backtrack through the layers of the Earth, back through the mantle, back through the crust, back through the ground beneath you. As you barrel up through the cement floor, now you're going above your body. Your soul starts to fly just above the body. You start to pick up speed as you fly. You fly 40 feet, 50 feet, 10 stories, 20 stories. You pick up speed faster, 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 until you're hovering above your city. You keep picking up speed, and now maybe you're hovering above America, literally seeing beneath you the states. And then you keep going and you keep going. You see North America. Behind you in the distance, the continents are seeming very, very small. South America, the whole globe. You start to see the Earth's rotation as you move a little, all of the other 7 continents. And just like that, as you go through the atmosphere, whoosh, you've landed in space. And up here in the blackness, outside of Earth's atmosphere, it's really quiet. You feel so light, there's no gravity. And taking a little peek from the vantage point hovering above Earth, you see just how small we really are. Just how insignificant some of our strifes, our anger, our worries can really be. In a world where 8 billion people are learning to love, are getting their hearts broken, are being back in service to the goodness of the world, in a place where most people are just trying their best. And just like that, they could be gone. Looking at this beautiful view from space, take a few breaths and acknowledge the bigness of your life. Your impact matters on the people that you see, and the little stuff, it doesn't need to stay. Feeling a sense of lightness, you decide to come back towards Earth. Start to pick up speed again. Whoosh, go back through Earth's atmosphere, through the clouds. As you go faster and faster, you start to see the continents. The color dissolves, and you start to see more of that Earth beneath you as you go faster and faster, hovering over your city. Hovering back over the house or the place that you're in. Hovering back over your body right here. Just hover just above the body. Let your soul open the door, step out, and drop back in. Now that your body has had a break from the soul, it feels a little rejuvenated. Start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Feeling that light journey, that cosmic adventure you took to lighten and gain perspective. If your feet have been high, you can drop them to the earth. Let blood flow come back into your feet. Take your time to roll into fetal pose. We're going to be there for about 30 seconds. Rest down there. Rest your ear and your bicep like a pillow. Every single human, including this baby that's inside of me right now, comes into the world in fetal pose. They start here. It's a uniting posture in our asanas to remind us that we're all coming from the same place of love. No matter how much the world calluses you or protects you or makes you defensive, our yoga practice, our breath work, our meditation allows an expansive quality to come back to who we always are, that bliss center, that ease. Press yourself lightly to a seat, sitting cross-legged like I am, or just naturally for a comforting ending. Sit up tall in your posture and reimagine that spotlight shining from the crown of your head to the sky. Bring your palms to your heart space. As you inhale, bring your hands straight up over your head in that prayer position. Just about where you bring your hands up, that's the 8th chakra space, right? That's our auric energy, what we put out in the world. Then as you exhale, draw a circle around your body all the way down to the earth. It's like you've got this protective circle. Then we're gonna do it again. Scoop up, make a circle with your arms. Bring it back to the very top, hands touch. Then pull your palms back into your heart. We're gonna do that twice. This is a auric circle cleanser. So inhale up, you're sending your good vibrations out. Then as you exhale, draw a circle. This is a protection circle, so you don't take on other people's stuff that's contagious. Then as you inhale, pull in all the good stuff from the world around you and bring that back into your heart. Good. Last time together. Inhale, arms up. We've got our protective circle. We can hold space for people. We can hear them, but we don't have to take on everyone's stuff. Then as we inhale, bring all the good stuff in, all the love that people want to give you. Seal it back into the goodness of who you are. I like to use this technique before I teach or before I do anything that requires me holding space for other people. That work energy, that 8th chakra energy, expands all the way around your body for protection. With that, we end our restorative practice with a word that means thank you. Namaste. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for demoing. Sebi, Kara, Julie, and Baby, and Rocky, and Rosie. It's a big party today.